A microscope is an optical instrument that is used to magnify small objects or details that are otherwise invisible to the naked eye. It works by utilizing the principles of optics and magnification. Here's a basic explanation of how a microscope works. Optical system. The optical system of a microscope consists of several components, including lenses and mirrors, that work together to magnify the specimen being observed. Magnification. Microscopes use lenses to magnify the image of a specimen. There are typically two sets of lenses in a microscope, the objective lens and the eyepiece, or ocular lens. The objective lens is located near the specimen and produces the initial magnified image, while the eyepiece lens further magnifies the image for viewing. Light source. Most microscopes require a light source to illuminate the specimen being observed. This can be either transmitted light from beneath the specimen or reflected light from above the specimen. The light source helps to make the specimen visible and enhances contrast for better clarity. Specimen stage. The specimen is placed on a platform called the specimen stage, which holds it in place and allows it to be positioned for observation. The stage may also have mechanisms for moving the specimen horizontally and vertically to examine different areas. Focus. Microscopes have mechanisms for adjusting focus, allowing users to bring the specimen into sharp focus. This is typically achieved by moving the stage or the lenses to change the distance between the specimen and the objective lens. Types of microscopes. There are several types of microscopes, each with its own specific design and applications. Common types include optical microscopes, such as compound microscopes and stereo microscopes, electron microscopes, which use a beam of electrons to magnify specimens, and scanning probe microscopes, which use a physical probe to examine surfaces at the atomic level. Overall, a microscope works by magnifying and illuminating tiny objects or details, allowing them to be observed and studied in detail. The precise mechanisms and components may vary depending on the type of microscope, but the basic principles of optics and magnification are fundamental to all microscopes.